Ladies and gentlemen, I am not accustomed to public speaking, so and I'm not prepared to that also. But Iltizam Sahab was kind enough to call me, and he didn't call me that I have to talk. Biharis के बारे में हम क्या बताएं? You heard a lot about Biharis and Bagar Biharis जो कहते हैं, they're very upfront with you. Or what's happening today? You asked me about politics of Bihar. I'm writing an article about the hijacked elections, but my friends and my family tell me that you have to vet it before you publish it. उसका शोकेस में वो चल रहा है. But I'm sorry I have not read the book, so हमको थोड़ा सा let me see. Sam writes about typical Bihari behaviors, page 271. Biharis also have an unhealthy obsession with expressing unsolicited opinions. वो opinions are free. आराम से किसी का कोई आपको बताएगा, आपको advice करेगा. Asking personal questions and giving the opportunity, even imposing their decisions. आपको खोद के पूछने वाला जो हिसाब है, if you can understand, वो बिहारियों का है obsession. While I do not intend this chapter to be user manual of dealing with Biharis and dealing with user experiences, knowing these idiosyncrasies definitely help in situations that might infuriate you or leave you completely clueless. Well, Iltizam appears to have written this book well, and he is, in the sense of Bihari. Or, you see, we are the people who are very simple. Slowly, even as the world has changed, they still remain simple people. वहाँ बिहार में there is something which you have often heard, आप सुनते होंगे कि बिहार में रह करके कोई एक्सेल नहीं करता है, बिहार से बाहर जाता है तो एक्सेल करता है. Whoever goes out of Bihar excels in their field. But while in Bihar, something happens that nothing I can say can really get it because I don't know why Bihar में वो we don't get the opportunity to do something or anything, and Bihar today is as corrupt, as underdeveloped as a lot of African nations and other places. The officers, the government is not bothered about them, as you may have realized. So I keep on telling my fraternity also that you should do something, nothing happens. आज भी हमने एक WhatsApp ग्रुप पर रिटायर्ड ऑफिसर्स का है, about 400-500 ऑफिसर्स को हमने काफ़ी लताड़ा लोगों को. ये आप लोग कंडेम नहीं करते हैं people who are corrupt, who are intellectually dishonest, who are basically have all kinds of double, triple faces. But I really can't tell you why nothing has happened in Bihar. Biharis have so much talent, Bihar is everything. But nothing happens. I've worked with so many chief ministers and prime ministers. Chief ministers in Bihar never had vision. I can't think of anyone who would have had vision. In Nitish Kumar in the 5 years, first 5 years was good, but then he lost his track. तो वो सब है, but excuse me, I'm not prepared कि how to marshal my thoughts, but आपने पूछना चाहे तो पूछ सकते हैं, because I cannot marshal my thoughts at the moment because I was very I'm still in shock about the election results.
Afzal Sahab, do you think Bihar's future is going to be better than its past? At some stage, when are we going to get there when we start believing that the future will be better than the past?
I think.
Sir, can I amend that question? Will that happen in our lifetime?
I think we have to go further down. Some people are still tolerating this nonsense, and I refuse to believe that there was any silent wave or anything of that sort. This election was hijacked, and no amount of explanation of 10,000 rupees for some 1.4 crore women or some increased pensions is going to justify that. So right now it's going to go further down, I think, and then ultimately it will look up.
Yeah. So what do you think? Can you pinpoint a reason why a state with so much of talent and resources and capability has not achieved its potential? Sorry, I'm wearing the journalist's hat here.
पता नहीं कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिट्टी नहीं हमारी वाला चक्कर है कि बिहार में कुछ बात है कि people just fall into the rut. I mean, आप जाइए कहीं भी जाइए, कोई नया बच्चा आपका बनता है, ऑफिसर बनता है, आइडियलिज्म है, सब कुछ है, पर सब कुछ उसी में लग जाता है और and there are no role models. अच्छे role models जो थे पुराने जमाने में थे, श्री बाबू and first chief minister of independent Bihar. So उन लोग, I remember वो story थी, I was very small. My mamu told me that एक बार the education minister in C. Babu's cabinet had called a meeting of vice chancellors to his office. Then C. Babu rang up and told him, vice chancellor, की औकात तुमसे बहुत बड़ी है, C. Babu. You will not call them to your office. You will call them to your house. You will feed them and discuss whatever you want to. But उनकी इज्जत को रहने दो. Those were the days. There's nothing like that anymore.
And how much would you attribute that to the decline of education, universities, and the culture of
The political class has systematically crushed education. They have demeaned the status of teachers and vice chancellors and professors. So फिर उसी हिसाब से बच्चे भी पैदा हो रहे हैं. You can see that the vice chancellors and professors are being kicked around. तो वो इज्जत भी नहीं है. Then the standards have declined. People with better lot, if they have the wherewithal and money, they will migrate to other places to get education. हालांकि वहाँ रह करके भी हो सकता है, but अब वो possible नहीं है. Unless this rot is stemmed, which I don't think they want. This government especially does not want education. They will further demolish everything so that all of us are left with that low state of equilibrium of not knowing what the truth is, not knowing what facts are. They change history further. They do all kinds of things. They're not. So you are not prepared to face the world. You're not prepared to go outside. Simple thing. आप देखिए कि प्रशांत किशोर who calls himself बहुत बड़े analysts हैं. I made पार्टी इलेक्शन से पोस्ट लेता है ना, उसका था कि हम रोक देंगे माइग्रेशन बिहारियों का। अरे भाई, बिहारी माइग्रेट कर रहा है, पैसा भेज रहा है, उसका वो लाइफ हो गया है। उसको अच्छा लगता है कि आएगा दिल्ली में काम करेगा, फिर पैसा भेजेगा, फिर 1 महीना जाके घर में रहेगा। यू कांट चेंज दैट, यू कांट रिवर्स दैट, दैट बिकम पार्ट ऑफ द बिहारी लाइफ। आप लोग क्या करिएगा उसको?
तो बहुत सारे नेगेटिव्स हो गए, एक पॉजिटिव जो आपको दिखता है
लोग को अच्छे हैं। I love the place, I love its people, whole life you can say is there. So I don't see any positive at the moment. Unless कि कोई अच्छा आदमी चुने
Sir, is there anybody in Bihar, a leader, you think who holds the potential, who can help Bihar out of the morass?
नहीं sir, that is another project I am working on for young boys and girls future leaders के लिए. Only the next generation will throw up new leaders. There's so many potential, so many boys and girls who can talk sense, who can talk well, who can articulate, who can reason, who can debate, but they don't have any chance. आप अभी भी देखिएगा यहाँ पर इतना कुछ होने के बाद भी बिहार से अभी इधर 20-30 Congress people have come here with stories about the elections. They had lost the election, why they lost the election. They waited here for 10 days, they could not meet anyone. Basically, people don't matter. They were not meeting people. So, which side, which party you look at, everyone is the same. They are not bothered. बोलने को बहुत बात है, बाहर निकल कर क्या रैली कर लीजिए, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली आपको लोगों से मिलना है, आप मिल नहीं रहे हैं। आपको लोगों से बात करना है, फीडबैक लेना, आप ले नहीं रहे हैं। आपके बस 4-5 चापलूसों से घिरे हुए हैं। We all know that, but nothing seems to happen. So I don't see any ray of hope. I only see a ray of hope if we develop better leaders, younger leaders, and that we have to identify every community, every group or every party has to identify those leaders, and they will rise. और नहीं होगा तो फिर बेशक की फौज, someone will rise. There need not be a particular leader. The situation will become worse, and then it will throw up a leader. And that I firmly believe in, and that is my only hope, that the situation will throw up a leader or a couple of leaders.
लेकिन सर एक सवाल उठता है कि
We will open it up for Q&A later. जब सबका हो जाएगा, तो 10 मिनट wait करेंगे.
और अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो एक बार और आपको मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि आप इसको प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करते रहें ताकि हमारा भी मनोबल और सपोर्ट बना रहे।